Hi, attention over 50s and all beginners and intermediate fitness and non-fitness folks. I am so excited to be here with you today. My name is Beatrice Rhodes. I'm a qualified personal trainer, fitness instructor and nutrition coach. Welcome to Health and Fitness TV with Beatrice. Here you will find full body stretches and HIIT sessions for beginners, intermediates and seniors and much more. Helping to stay healthy and fit at home now in these challenging and changing times and in the future. Your home gym, and most often you don't need any equipment at all. Soon to come, I'm so excited about this. I'm doing 15 workouts videos from the 90-day plan with Joe Wicks, the body coach. I'm modifying the moves to suit beginners, intermediate, seniors and all you who would like to follow a fitness plan but don't believe you can do it. You might like the 90-day plan, but the body coach moves and his energetic style makes you self-conscious, and before you have even started you believe you can't do it. Do you think that you can't exercise because you are too unfit, too fat, too old, too this and too that to be able to follow any workout, but you still keep on dreaming about doing it one day in the future? Well, I'm here to ask you, how would you feel about starting to change that thought right now and to change your life around when you're at home anyway? Let's stop dreaming and let's take this time at home to do the body coach 90-day plan. As soon as cycle 1 is done, I will share the video here below. It is natural to be hesitant if exercise is new to you and you feel a bit unfit. If you become more active gradually and you start gentle exercise, the muscles and the joint will become stronger. Stretches prepare your body, soften up the muscles and the joints for whatever you are doing during the day. Plus, if you stay long enough to the end of the workout video, you will benefit from the afterburn when you burn fat even after you stopped your workout. In the 90-day plan with the body coach, there are 5 exercises in each cycle. Each cycle is 30 days, 4 weeks. Joe Wicks, the body coach, recommends that you work out 4 to 5 times per week. Each workout is 25 minutes. I will start with cycle 1 and do all the 5 exercises. You can then choose which video you like more and pick and mix out of the 5 exercises over cycle 1. After 1 month, when cycle 1 is done, I will do cycle 2 and then cycle 3 until we have done all the full 90 days, all 3 cycles. Each cycle has different exercise sessions and goals. Right. It's not a quick fix to get fit again and you return and to reduce pain. But it wouldn't take more than a week before you feel a difference in your body with less stiffness and with less pain. You might experience some soreness, muscle soreness, some hours after the workout, cold rooms. As you have just done some exercise and used muscle that might have been dormant for a long time. Exercise causes microscopic damage to muscle fibers, resulting in muscle soreness or stiffness. I invite you to have a long stretch session after the workout if you would get muscle soreness, and I think the best remedy for DOMS after that, have a warm bath. Put in some sheep table salt, a fist load, circa 250 grams, and some lavender oils, 4 to 8 drops, and soak for a good 20 minutes. Put some music on and just relax. It has an amazing effect on the muscles. The lavender, the oil, and the lavender oil, the water and all of that. Anyway, you heard me. Free gifts. I got some amazing free gifts on my website, fabandfitover50.com. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share the videos. There are much more to come. You can also check out my Facebook page with weekly stretches and a 7-minute HIIT session every weekday at 8:30. While this is all going on, until when we are home bound, so to speak. And join my free Facebook group and get access to more health and fitness tips. My group is called Fab and Fit Over 50. Yes. And as always, lots of love to you all. Take care and join in. Bye bye.